Hello. So, gusto kong solohin tong Demonology. Last time ko siya nilaro is kasama pa ang mga friend ko. Ako for some reason parang ayoko mag-English. So, I guess we're gonna do it my way. Going to play the game, whatever man. They just speak mix. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Okay. What? Yeah, sure. I'm gonna play the game. Man, sinasabi ko na like super sucker ako sa ganitong type ng game. So, kahit easy mode pa to is like, don't expect me to finish it. Masyado ako matatakotin by the way, so, gonna just see how it's gonna turn out. So, we're just going for the easy one, I guess. Yeah. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung easy dito, pero like, nasa green naman siya, so I think lahat siya is easy. Yeah, I think it's... However, let's just try it, man. Man, pray for me, what the hell. Um, Identify the correct ghost type. Trigger a hunt with a first object under folder evidence of a ghost presence. And okay, nothing was needed. Push flashlight, EMF, and spirit box. So, medyo natatakot na ako by the way. Hindi ko in-expect na super creepy niya. Where are you, ghost? Are you... Wala naman sa basement. Nandito siya sa upper floor. Uh, Nandito ata siya sa hallway ba? Yeah, I think nasa hallway siya. I'm gonna drop EMF. Nawala. Wait. Garage? Kailangan ko talaga i-open lahat ng ilaw dito. So far, wala pa namang kunin ko lahat ng equipment muna. Ito yung net camera. What is this? Okay. Actually, bahala na si Batman. Probably gonna die. And hello? Nawala yung reading ko. Saan? Basement? Need ko yung ghost projection. Feel ko baka may mga projection doon. Right. Check natin yung camera. Okay. No ghost. Yep. Ayan siya. Oh shit! Biglang nag-flicker yung ilaw, natakot ako. Wait, since so, meron siyang laser projector. Yan pa lang evidence natin so far. Tingnan ko rin ng ghost object no? First object. Man, that's fucking scaring me. What the hell? Oh my god, he has a knife. They're gonna kill me. I think I need that. Wait, kailangan ko siya kausapin. So, feel ko matitrigger nito yung ghost event and we're probably gonna die. Fuck it, man. What do you want? Why are you here? Shit, kailangan ko turn off ng ilaw. Why are you here? Wait, binuksan niyo ba yung... Wait, a minute. Inopen niyo yung grifo, no? May ghost type ba yan? For sure may handprint yun since na-open niyo yung grifo. Eyeballin ko na lang yung handprint, whatever, man. I'm not too sure, pero... Kaya mag-ghost upper, no? Whatever, man. We're probably gonna die. The ghost is still there. Holy shit, that's so scary. Di naman siya mukhang oh shit! Wait, ano meaning nun? That's so scary. What? Okay, I think meron na ako idea kung ano yung multo. Siguro yung KMF5 siya. I'm not sure. I'm not too sure what the hell. Nag-check yung objective number 3. Hindi ako sure kung naging F5 siya. So, i-uncheck ko muna. Hindi ako sure kung may handprint. Laser projector pa lang yung evidence ko. Anong multo kaya to? Okay, kung may MF5, ano yung mga choices ko? Shadows, Spectre. X na to since nag-interact yung Momo. I think it's this guy. Fuck it, man. Just whatever, man. I'm gonna try. Kaya ng ghost type ulit yun? Yep. Yep, ayoko na pumasok doon. Pero kapag pumasok pa ako doon, na-huntingin na ako ng multo. So, much better kung umalis na lang tayo. Let's see kung tama ba tayo. No! God damn it. I'm such a pussy. Whatever. I guess the video ends. Hindi ko talaga ng ibang game. Ayoko talaga ng game na to. Why am I fucking... Wait. whatever man.